हेलो एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल यूनिक स्नीक पीक, जहां हम आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं अपनी ट्रैवल जर्नीज और लाइफ से रिलेटेड कुछ वीडियोस। तो आज अगेन वी आर इन अ न्यू कंट्री, बट कल मैं भूल गई रिकॉर्ड करना घर पर। आई wanted to record what all I packed for this trip yesterday at home, but I was so busy I didn't get the time to do that. तो मैंने सोचा आज क्यों ना होटल में ही आपको दिखा दें व्हाट आई पैक्ड फॉर दिस ट्रिप। मे बी यू माइट लाइक इट, सो जस्ट टेक अ ग्लैंस। My suitcase. I am not a light traveler at all. मैं दुनिया जहान की चीजें लेकर घूमती हूँ। So have a peek into my suitcase. Hats देख के आपको पता चल गया होगा that we have come to some beach destination. Well, you're right. आज हम हैं Maldives में. There are these two sides to the suitcase. This side I generally keep all my clothes, my undergarments, whatever clothes, basically dresses that I need for the vacation. And मैं बहुत dresses carry करती हूँ. I carry at least 2 to 3 dresses per day. So that is why आपको ये सब इतना भरा भरा दिखाई देगा. तो चलिए अब हम ये साइड खोलते हैं जहाँ थोड़ी ज़रूरी चीज़ मैं पैक करती हूँ, which I will share with you. So this is my hair pouch in which I carry my hair dryer and my straightener. Actually में हर होटल में हेयर ड्रायर होता ही है, बट मुझे पर्सनली उनकी स्पीड बहुत कम लगती है, तो मैं हमेशा अपना हेयर ड्रायर खुद कैरी करती हूँ. I don't know how what you all do. Please leave a comment below as to whether you carry your own hair dryer या फिर आप होटल का ही hair dryer use करना prefer करते हैं. This is my toiletry kit. Do you want to see what all goes inside my toiletry kit? You'll be surprised. Here, a big shout out to Brijesh's niece who has gifted me this kit and I'm in love with it. Thank you so much Riya for gifting me this. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, please bore मत होना. This is my moisturizer, my toothpaste, my hyaluronic acid, rose water, and of course I carry a lot of sunscreen. A lot of sunscreen because I'm at a beach place. दोनों मेरे को और ब्रिजेश को बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. So my sunscreens, and I never move out without my perfumes. This is my night serum, face wash, some cotton pads, lip balm, very important. This is a back spray, some eucalyptus oil, hand cream, hair moisturizer, body mist. This is by Bath and Body Works, and this is my favorite. Makeup remover wipes and body moisturizer. Well, I always carry my shampoo and hair mask zip pouch because somehow I don't know why, but this always leaks. So I don't put it in my toiletry bag. In fact, I carry it in a zip pouch. Some travel packs for my shampoo and conditioner, hair protecting spray. This is one pouch that I carry with all latram patrams, which I think are important for my stay. Fan, very important for the beach. One scissor. This is a traveling knife and a peeler to cut fruits. Some wet wipes, tissues. I carry some sneaker wipes also because मिट्टी में sneakers गंदे हो जाते हैं. Some earbuds, hand sanitizer, tight pen. किसी भी दाग को मिटाने के लिए यूज कीजिए टाइट का पेन. And I carry my shoes in these pouches. These are my home slippers and एक थोड़ा सा heel for an evening wear. Otherwise, for a beach destination I carry these kind of beach shoes which give a beach vibe. बहुत कलेक्शन है मेरे पास ऐसे जूतों की. These are all from Amazon. I can send you the links. Now these two pouches, these have some of my makeup brushes. I always carry some safety pins with me. Some butter toffees. कभी कभी मीठा खाने का मन करता है. That's why. Beach bag, hair tie. Because it is rainy season, तो I always carry a disposable parka ताकि तुम इसे यूज करो और फेंक दो यहीं पर ही, और बारिश में आप भीगोगे भी नहीं. सम पैंटी लाइनर्स, चश्मा जस्ट इन केस दिस ब्रेक्स. वन मोर मेकअप रिमूवर वाइप्स. जैसे कि मैं बहुत मेकअप करती हूँ बट एक्चुअली मैं बिल्कुल मेकअप नहीं करती, बट आई ऑलवेज कैरी. दिस इज फॉर माई टेनिस एल्बो. ऑल्सो आई कैरी सब मेकअप. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला मैं मेकअप नहीं करती हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी I carry this much of makeup. There are some other important things that I carry and I feel everyone should carry for their vacations. These are all tubes and really spray which might be useful during your stay. Daily medications, prescribed medications. And this is a bag full of drugs. The normal routine, antacid, and sar dard, pet dard, any stomach infection, all that. This bag carries that. I carry a packet of biscuits, not always, but this time घर पर पड़े थे, so I thought might as well carry because I have a sensitive stomach. I don't eat out much, so sometimes I can skip my meal and have this instead. I carry my own chai. And मेरे लिए chai is very important. I am not a coffee person, so for my tea bags I need a creamer. So I carry my own creamer. I carry my own jaggery powder. खाने के बाद के लिए थोड़ी सी सौंफ, comb, a hairbrush, my glucometer, and I carry this pouch which has a spoon, fork, and a knife. And सबसे important, I carry this hot and sweet sauce. बहुत सी जगहों पर when you travel abroad, खाना बहुत फीका होता है. You need a little spice as Indians. So I carry this and add the spice. So besides the suitcase, I carry one luggage carry-on bag also, a handbag. Do you want to see what I carry in my handbag? Let me know in the comment section below. And we shall make a video on this as well. Okay, now let's see what is in my carry-on bag. Most important, all the documents that you need for your trip, your hotel bookings, your medical insurance, your visa papers, all the documents. It is better to have hard copy because sometimes you might lose your phone or something and then you lose all the documents. Next is my iPad, in which I download some movies or dramas which I want to watch during the flight. So I always keep this handy. Then in one pouch, I carry some undergarments, night dress, and a pair of clothes because sometimes your luggage gets lost somewhere, you know. So at least you have your hand baggage with you and some essentials. This is a weighing scale that I always carry with me during my travel because if you are like me, you will always shop from some place, and so that to keep your baggage in check कि आपका ज़्यादा baggage तो नहीं हो गया. So I always weigh the bag. A pair of sunglasses. One sunglasses I keep in my handbag and one sunglass I always carry extra. Phone charger. There are some hair ties in this, you know, because beach पे बहुत गर्मी होती है, humid होती है, you always need some hair ties. Then this is the other side of the bag. This is our staple diet, theplas, which I always carry whenever I travel. These come quite in handy. But हम बहुत बारी अपना dinner या lunch ये रोल करके खा लेते हैं. This is a universal adapter. So ये भी whenever you travel, it's very important. I have one extra phone, a power backup, which is very important when you come on a holiday because you click so many pictures and your battery goes down. So this power backup. And this is some gur, which is my husband's favorite. This we prepared at home, so he always wants to have a little gur after all his meals. So these are the things that I carry in my carry-on bag. So that was all for this video. I hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, and if you like a video, as always, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Unique Sneak Peek. So until our next videos, it's adios, tata, bye bye. Love you all.